The Experiential Tourism Workshop, in collaboration with India City Walk, is focusing on heritage storytelling. Students are exploring how immersive experiences can shape their meaningful and hands-on design tourism. This platform is empowering students to innovate, experiment, and approach tourism with a fresh perspective.
Experiential tourism is all about stories. It's all about connecting with people, connecting with communities, and having a local immersion. So there are many combinations, permutations, combinations through which an experience is delivered, and experiential tourism is the next leap. The students, the energy, there were openness, there was a lot of enthusiasm, and they were asking a lot of questions. And this brings more excitement at the CU.
I got to learn how storytelling can transform a simple visit into a deep cultural experience. I'm really grateful for this opportunity provided by our department, and I'm looking forward to apply this in my future.